everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Happy Monday to everybody. Today I have a 14 by 14 staple back canvas, and I've laid down a very thin layer of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White mixed with just a dab of Blickrylic Primary Yellow to give it a very light yellow color here. And I'm going to do a split cup pour with my split cup that I bought. And let's go over my paints. I am trying out some new paints. They're called KingArt. They come in a set of 48, and these are little tubes. They're 0.7 ounce per tube. So the colors I'm using today are vermillion. I'm using cerulean blue. I'm using light gray blue, and I'm using delicate rose, and I'm using Payne's gray. And with the Payne's gray, I did add a dollop of the handmade modern metallic pewter. So combination of those two paints. And I am using the KingArt purple, and I added just a little dollop of the Blickrylic Mars Black to that color. And I'm also using just Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White, but I did add a little shake of Jewelescent Luster White Mica Pearl Powder with my white. So let's get started. I'll just move my canvas out of the way here a minute and just fill the cup. No particular order for filling the cup. I did want the white, though, if I needed it between certain colors so they didn't get muddy. Let's start with this purple. Consistency, this paint is very thin. It's about a 2-to-1 ratio. My pouring medium today, I should mention, as you can see it just flows right back in there. No mound, no trace. Pouring medium today is 70% Elmer's Glue All, 30% water. I did put some treadmill silicone, Spot-On Treadmill silicone, in the purple, the red, the Payne's gray, and the cerulean blue. 1 drop. So that catches us up now. So I'm not sure at all how this will turn out. I'm hoping not to get mud. Add a little more white here. Kind of putting all the dark ones on one side and the lighter ones on the other side. Add a little more white here. I hope everybody had a good weekend. So as I said, as of right now, these KingArt paints are only available in sets. I got the set of 48. And then also I'll show you, I got the metallic set, looks like 6. And this is what that looks like, the box looks like. Pro KingArt acrylic paints. I have not tried the metallics out yet though. Kind of mind-boggling when you look at 48 little tubes of paint trying to figure out what you want your color scheme to be. Kind of mixing them up now. Everything's an experiment. I like this purple. It's a real dusty, dark purple. And if I have negative space today on my painting, that's fine too. Okay. Hopefully you're in frame there. Looks good. Okay, so let's start. I'll just start here in the corner, laying the paints down. I'm going to turn the cup, put it the other way. Turn the cup again. Just a little bit of paint left. Okay. I think I will tilt before I torch. And now I'm looking at it, and I think I am going to take a skewer and break up some of this gray here. Possibly even give it a little more of the yellow that I have left over. Just maybe a little streak of the yellow here and there, since this is experiment. Okay, let's give that a try. And give some tilting here. And take a look at it here. And I think I am going to add just a little bit more of that yellow in here, possibly over here. And in here. And one more in here. Okay, and I will do more tipping. Bring it back. And I'll take a look at it now. And I am going to torch it. That did bring up quite a few cells. And I'll clean off the bottom. It's more cells than I thought I would get. Check my corners here. My sides. Make sure they're covered. Okay, I'm going to get you down for a close-up. You can tell me what you think. I'll tell you the spots that I like on it. Okay, we have the upper left-hand corner. It's very interesting there. I like how the white is around those cells. The brightness of that orange, reddish orange. The yellow how it popped through. Lower left-hand corner. And now I'll take you up the middle. This is pretty in here. Right in here, it's very pretty with all those cells. And this is what I like, is that yellow that I added. It's how it just feathers off. It's got that feathery look to it. This is the upper right-hand corner. Again, I really like the cells. Many different types of cells. This is the lower right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you ring the bell and choose all so you'll be notified the next time that I do post a new video. And until next time, take care everybody. And thank you for watching. Bye.